know it's loud in this place tonight, but I read your lips carefully and shared something personal about your polyamory. Said I won't tell a soul, I'll just turn it into fiction. I know wanna talk now, ain't clinging to tradition. I was all just rolling talk, like throwing rocks, open ripples turned away.
This love story has taken us from Detroit in the United States to Germany for a brief period and back to the States and to Iceland and now here to Skógar and Kvernufoss, where we stand now. One of the most beautiful waterfalls here in Iceland.
Catch your echoes and you feel this flame of wild hearts unchained. It feels like an ocean breeze, but your skin touches mine. In the static of your energy, it's pulsing in and out of time. And I don't wanna say too much, I stay silent like the sea. Slow down and continuum, yeah. We find the ocean so deep. Was it all just rolling talk, like throwing rocks, open ripples turned away?
Your love is the air, the element that lets you coexist. Without the air between, the water would put out the fire and the fire would make the water evaporate. The air, the love, protects you both. Your common goals, common values and common life stance is the earth that grounds you. This is the foundation of your relationship.
Feel this flame.